Here's a counter against the Keymaster that was used by Gavin Corbett to submit Owen Jones. So when we're in this knee cut position and my opponent goes for a Keymaster on my far side hip, what we can do here is we initially grab this leg into Achilles grip. We now have to move our weight forward and put in a butterfly behind this knee while pinning their leg with this shin. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up, base up on this hand, place in this butterfly. As we've done that, we drop to the floor, we catch the shoelaces, and we pass the shoelaces across, trapping it with our other leg. From here, we go to Achilles grip, we remove that butterfly, and we lock up behind our other leg. And from here, in a sideways motion, we're going to push up and then get the submission there.